Welcome to Hampton Roads Happenings. I'm Leanne Rains-Benedetto. Are you suffering from chronic fatigue or fibromyalgia or even insomnia? Have you tried something called functional medicine to solve the problems? Well, let's get information from Dr. Mark Scott today from Total Health Center on functional medicine to solve some of these problems that we know so many people who suffer from these issues. What exactly is functional medicine?
Yeah, so functional medicine is really about blending all of the latest in diagnostic testing with the wisdom of natural medicine.
Okay. And how does it differ from what people experience when they go to the doctor, say they have fibromyalgia, and receive a pill that's supposed to solve all the problems?
Exactly. So that's probably the biggest thing, is that functional medicine, as it sounds, is about function. So our current system is about a diagnosis, giving something a name. So they get all these symptoms and say, okay, you have, say, fibromyalgia, and that's the label. But I can have 6 different patients come in with fibromyalgia, and then I have 6 totally different reasons why they have that. Wow. And they may need 6 totally different treatments. And that's really what makes us unique, and that's really how we're able to get to the bottom of these things, because one person may have a thyroid-based problem. Somebody may have more of an adrenal-based problem. Some may have more of a digestive-based problem that's contributing to that diagnosis. And you need to address the individuality of the person to really get success.
All right, and so in the case of something like insomnia, which is just such a huge, pervasive problem for people, and they go in and they get a sleeping pill, basically.
Right.
Why is that such a bad thing?
Well, again, it's not always a bad thing. I mean, if you haven't got the problem solved, some of those medications can help get you through the night, and maybe not a good quality sleep, but better than nothing.
Right.
But with a functional approach, we're going to say, okay, why are you not sleeping? Not just let's kind of force your body into a sleep mode. There's
in
a
other
reason.
words, there's a health issue that's causing the insomnia.
Exactly.
How do you get to the health issue?
So again, we're going to use diagnostic testing. We're going to do a full history exam and try to blend that with a functional approach versus what's called a pathological approach. So in our current model, it's about diagnosis and pathology and disease treatment, and we're more about function and health.
And you say non-surgical, no drugs. That's really your goal when you're trying to solve these issues.
Exactly. So it's the blending of the latest in diagnostic testing with the wisdom of natural medicine, and we work with patients, physicians, and their specialists. So it's really a team approach, and the goal is getting you healthy.
And you have free talks. You also have a free consultation for folks, correct?
Yeah, so that's the best way to really get more information, is we do a couple talks each month. So just call the office, and if you can attend a talk, you'll learn a lot about what I'm doing and the kind of difference, what makes us different from what is out there now.
Dr. Mark Scott, thank you so much for joining us. If you have any of these issues, these chronic issues, give Total Health Center a call to solve the problem.